20th, 23rd of March. Nice. Very good, Quee. We need to keep working on your microphone. I miss hearing your answers. Okay, let's go over your homework. Great job, Noob. Noob, you had a very good video. Great job of saying how to save the panda. Excellent work, Noob. Chi, great at facing the camera and saying why polar bears aren't endangered, so you were very good at looking. Mia, you had a beautiful PowerPoint and a great description of what leopards look like and their habitat. Zalin, beautiful drawing, and you had great energy when you presented. It was very exciting to watch. Okay, let's start with Mia. I wanted to show Mia's facts, and Kwang Hai, also great drawing of a panda bear. So we had some drawings without videos, but they were very good. Thank you, everyone who did their homework. Let's start with looking at part of Mia's.
Hello everyone, my name is Mia. My age is 7. Today I'm gonna talk about leopards. Let's go on. Here is the picture of the leopard when it's small. And this is the picture of the leopard when it's big. It is bigger than the elephant. It lives on a tree. It lives and sleep on the tree. And do you know what it eats? It eats deer, zebra, and any sea and lake, or animal of the world will die because it's very dirty. And
I like, Mia, how you include the pictures here. I see the fur, I see the poachers, the trash, the cutting down the trees. This is very, very excellent, Mia. You see, you talk about how they're predators. And now what we do.
We have to make river, swim, lake, and sea. Make any water clean. If we drink, all animal drink, all other animal, all other people will die in all the world and grow tree anywhere.
Excellent. Clean water, grow and plant more trees. This is very good, Mia. Let's take a look at Zalin. Zalin, you had some great energy.
Hello everybody, my name is Sunny. And I love from class 2 now. And today I will tell about elephant because
Also, Zalin, this is an amazing drawing.
So the elephant is one of the animal is endangered. So we need to protect the elephant. So we protect the elephant so the elephant will not endanger animal anymore. And destroy the elephant. The elephant likes to eat peanuts in grass. The reason is the elephant is an endangered animal. And my picture has the sun, the cloud, the sky, the tippy top.
All right, Zalin, excellent job. Thank you for doing your homework, and I enjoyed watching your video. Let's watch, we are out of time for homework, but let's just watch 1 minute of Chi's. Chi, you had very good information. I was very impressed.
Hello everyone, my name is Chi. Today I will tell you about polar bear. Here's the polar bear. The polar bear lives in Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. The reason why the polar bears almost die at all is because the North Pole changed the temperature so hot that the ice melt and polar bear cannot find their food. We need to protect polar bear because polar bear, when it dies, it looks so poor. Like we can help more animals, not just this polar bear. We can have lots of animals like elephants, bee, and
Very good. Excellent work, Chi. And I like that you mentioned the things we do to help the polar bear to stop climate change are the same things that we can do to help a lot of animals. Okay, so once again, great work, everybody. Also, good job, everyone who did their journal, who did their book reports on the ocean. Very, very good. There are some really nice drawings here, some really good information and writing. And also, reading about the ocean will help you this week and next week in English and science. So great work. Thank you, everyone who did it. They look really good. Okay, let's play a quick warm-up game with some matching. Everyone, please draw a line from the vocabulary word to the definition. Okay, everyone ready? Set, draw. Good job, Kwang Hai, Hannah, Emma, Leihan. Good job, Teddy. All right, let's see. It looks like most of the lines here are going down. Satellite, sensor, unsure where those lines are going. Poaching, you guys got that one really well. And wildlife refuge, you guys got that one really well. Great work, which means satellite has to be this one. So scientist, an expert who studies science. Poacher, someone who catches or kills animals illegally. Satellite sensor, a device used to record. And wildlife refuge, a place where animals can go for help. Okay, let's do one more. Ready? All right, a couple more seconds. All right, good job, guys. Let's see what we have here. Okay, it looks like most of these are going here. Extinct. Some are here, some are here. Conservation. Most are up here. So we're not quite right here. So endangered, not a lot left. That's true. The polar bear, the sea turtle, they are endangered. But extinct, and no one really got this one, extinct means there are none left. The rhinoceros, the white rhino, was endangered. This year, it became extinct. The last rhinoceros, the white rhinoceros, died. There are none left. Okay, endangered, not a lot left. Extinct, none left. That's why we need to conserve them. Conservation. Okay, conservation means protecting or using less. Okay. Let's go into our new material, water habitats. What is this habitat? Let's say it out loud together on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
what is it?
Good. Now I want you to say the answer. What habitat is this? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ocean.
There we go. Much better. It's the ocean. How do you know? Min Long, how do you know this is the ocean?
Because the ocean has many corals.
Excellent job. The ocean has a lot of coral. Great job, Mom. How else do you know this is the ocean? Kiwi? Zalin, go ahead, Zalin.
It has lots of fish.
Very good. We have coral, we have fish. What's one more really important thing that tells you this is the ocean? Minha?
It has many plants.
Excellent. It has ocean plants. It has ocean plants, right? We can see that all these plants and fish are underwater. What are some animals that live in the ocean habitat? Let's see. Leihan, give me an animal.
Clownfish.
Clownfish. Nice. Like Finding Nemo. Teddy, give me an animal.
Oh. Swordfish. Swordfish.
Swordfish. Very good, Teddy. I need more. Hacker, give me the name of an animal that lives in the ocean.
Shark.
Shark. Excellent job, Hacker. Let's see. Ocean, give me a name of an animal that lives in the ocean.
Turtle.
Yeah, sea turtle. Ocean. Let's see. Kwong Hai says crab. Kui also said sea turtles. Very good. Let's get one more. Mickey.
Octopus.
Octopus. Great one, Mickey. Why do the jellyfish live in the ocean habitat? Chi, could you read this circle in the middle for me?
Food, water, and air that it needs to live.
Very good. Food. So this is how we say why something lives in its habitat. It has the food, water, and shelter that it needs to live. So the jellyfish has tentacles to swim, water for shelter, fish for food, and a place to lay its jelly-like eggs. Why do the dolphins live in the ocean habitat? Hannah and Emma?
Because they have, in the ocean habitat, dolphins have food and it can live in there.
Very good. They have fish for food. Who can give me another reason? Kwang Hai?
They live in the ocean because they have fins. They just don't have legs. If it have legs, if it live in the sand because dolphins have lungs.
Excellent job, right? It lives in the water because it has fins. If it had legs, it live on land because it has lungs. Instead of breathing in through its mouth on land, it uses its blowhole to breathe. So water to swim, fins for swimming, fish to eat, and camouflage. You guys are so smart. Okay, well, what is this animal? Leihan, go ahead, Leihan.
This animal is whale.
A whale, good. And why do the whales live in the ocean habitat, Leihan?
Because the whale is too big.
Too big to live where?
Too big to live in river and lake.
Very good. It's too big to live in a river or lake. Kiwi, what's another reason?
Blue whale eats krill, but in the sun it doesn't have krill, so it lives in the ocean.
Excellent answer. You guys are so good. Water and fins for swimming, but like Chi said, they have plankton and krill to eat. Okay, it's too big to live in the lake. Great job, guys. Remember, the thing that determines where something lives is does it have the food, water, and shelter that it needs to survive. So let's do it again. Everyone open your chat, and I want you all to chat me the name of a habitat, a water habitat. All right, Klong Hai says lake. Kiwi says river. Teddy also says river. Chi says pond. Kui, the rainforest is not a water habitat, although it is really wet. Teddy, the sea. Nice one, Teddy. Hannah and Emma say pond. Good. Zalin and Kiwi say ocean. Leihan, go ahead. You raised your hand. Go ahead and share. All right, good. Lake, river, sea. Excellent job, everyone. This is a good start, right? We might also have a brook or a stream, maybe a puddle, if we can count that. Okay, everybody, great work. Let's take a look at this next slide and start thinking about the ocean. What do you know already? Minlong?
The ocean is blue.
Very good. The ocean is blue. Zalin?
The ocean has salty water.
Very good. Has salt water. Kui, can we hear you, Kui? Good. Salt water. Kui said oceans have 3 zones. Great job, Kui. Minha, can you tell me something about the ocean?
The ocean is deep.
Very good. The ocean is deep, right? The ocean's deep. It's big. It's salt water. 3 zones. You guys know a lot about the ocean already. Hannah and Emma, go ahead.
Ocean almost cover all the earth.
Excellent job. Oceans cover almost all of the earth. You guys have pretty much said all of these. Other than they have fish and other animals, which we know. And they have seaweed, coral. Okay. How are plants and animals able to survive in the ocean? Chi, go ahead, Chi.
The fish have gills and fins to swim and breathe in the water.
Excellent job. They have fish and gills. What about the plants? Does anyone know how the plants survive in the ocean? What would happen if we moved them to a lake or a pond? Minlong?
It will be danger.
Yes, it would be in danger. That's good. If we moved them, they might die. Let's take a quick look at this video, just the beginning of it.
Octopuses and jellyfish, crabs and shrimp, fish of all sizes and colors, dolphins and whales, even certain birds. These creatures represent only a fraction of the species we know as marine life. Less familiar but far more numerous are marine plants, especially the phytoplankton and algae that act as the foundation of the ocean food chain. And every day, biologists discover new species to add to the thousands of sea-dwelling plants and animals already identified. Marine plants and animals have adapted to an almost infinite variety of ocean ecosystems. Most species live in...
Right, so that means the ocean is the ecosystem or the environment, but there are lots and lots and lots of habitats in the ocean.
Specific habitats that roughly correspond to depth beneath the surface.
Let's listen to this part one more time.
Most species live in specific habitats that roughly correspond to depth beneath the surface.
Can anyone explain that part to me?
Some animals live in the Pacific.
Very good, yes. But what did we just look at about the habitats? It's still up on the screen. Teddy?
I think The deep dark ocean full of trash, so I think it will come to that.
Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly, right? Teddy said it's full of different animals and it's relevant to the depth. So all the habitats, remember when Kui and Teddy said there are 3 layers in the ocean? That's a big part of it, right? A big part of what determines where the plant or animal can live is how much sunlight can reach that area. So the ocean's this large body of water that covers most of Earth. Let's see what we already know about it. Who can skim this? Who can read this in their mind and tell me why the Earth looks blue from space? How about Mickey?
Because the ocean is too big, so the earth will look blue.
Yeah, very good. The ocean's really big. It covers 2/3. It's really, really big, so the Earth looks blue. How much of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans? Who has a guess? Let's see. How about Naihan? Go ahead, Naihan.
I think it's 1/4.
No, 1/4 would just be 25%. Definitely more than that. Let's see, Kiwi.
90.
Say it again.
90.
Yeah, 90, which is about 3/4. Well, that's more like 75%. So, how many oceans are there? Whoever knows, hold up that many fingers in your picture. Noob, very good, Noob. Hannah and Emma, good. Zalin, Lehan, good. Teddy, good. There are 5. Great job, everybody. How much of Earth's surface is water? Who can give me a percent? Hacker and Minlong, what percent of the Earth's surface is water?
100%.
100%? That's impossible. We'd all be drowning. Chi, Lehan, and Kiwi.
70%.
Chi says 70%. Lehan, Kiwi, do you agree? Let's see. Oh, yes. Good job, Chi. Nice work. 71%. And 96.5% of that is salt water. So of all this land, all this space on Earth that's water, almost all of it is salt water. Only a little bit is fresh water. All right, the largest areas of seawater are called oceans. What about the smaller parts of the ocean that are partially enclosed by land? Teddy?
Sea.
Yeah, the sea. Good job, Teddy. Good memory. The sea. Smaller parts of the ocean are the sea. True or false? All oceans on Earth flow into one another without borders. Are all the oceans connected to each other? True or false? 3.
False.
No, it's true. Look, you could sail to every ocean without land getting in the way. See, they're all connected. The Arctic down the North Atlantic, the Pacific, right? Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, they're all connected. We know oceans are salty. How many different kinds of plants and animals live in the ocean? 1,000 or more than 1 million? Zalin?
More than.
Good, more than 1 million. So many. Is this fish in freshwater or saltwater? Say the answer on 3. Ready? Freshwater or saltwater? 1, 2, 3.
Freshwater.
Very good job. And which type of water is easier to float on? Say the answer on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Salt.
Good. I especially heard Hannah at the end there. Salt water. Very good job, guys. Okay, here's your homework. Your homework is this quizzes. It's a fun quizzes. Everyone make sure that you do it. Okay, your code is 496928. Bye, everybody.
Bye. Miss Miranda. Bye. Miss Miranda.